we have come up with virtual version of almost everything in order to recreate the office environment. However, we are still struggling to create a rich and efficient whiteboarding experience. Although we have collaborative whiteboards, it is really time consuming and frustrating experience to draw or write using the mouse. This is because the mouse is not designed for these purposes. Introducing Invisible Pen, an innovative solution using no hardware like a touchscreen, a stylus, or any add-on accessory to make the whiteboarding experience smoother. All you need is a regular smartphone mounted somewhere near you and you're all set. So, how does it work? We use the power of TensorFlow Handpose with a lot of other tools and technologies put together. The smartphone running the TensorFlow model tracks the movement of the fingertip and sends it back to the Python server running on your machine in real time via live socket connection. The server calculates the corresponding movement that the cursor needs and then moves the cursor on the whiteboard to replicate the same movement. Let's see a quick demo.
Here is our setup of Invisible Pen. You can see the TensorFlow JS model running live in a browser on an Android phone, and it is connected to a Python server running on the laptop, which will take the signals or the hand coordinates recorded by the TensorFlow JS models and convert that into a mouse movement on the screen. Now let us see a short demo of this in action. You can see that I can use my mouse and select the tools of my choice in this drawing pad, and then simply without any other action I can simply change to my finger for continuing my expression. So that's it folks, a small demo of rough scribble using Invisible Pen.
Improve the accuracy and reduce the false positives. No handpose support on iOS due to lack of camera access. Also, we would like to reduce the lag between the hand and the cursor movement. Thank you. We are team in Velocity.